consolation winners of 1,000 pesos.
First is Miss Lolita Quindan, Poison Ivy.
Yan, dito po muna sa aming left side. Congratulations po, mga sir and ma'am. Maraming salamat po. Mamakit kayo on stage. Okay, our second winner of 1,000 pesos
Is Mr. Rolando Acosta, Mang Quezon.
Our third winner for the consolation prize worth 1,000 pesos is Miss Grace Trice, our Wonder Woman. Grace Trice.
Next is Mr. Reagan Mel Guerrero, The Flash.
Right. So, Sir Reagan. So, let's give them the opportunity for the photo. Ma'am, pakasama na po sa photo capture. Thank you.